Let me start off by showing you this. I don't remember this play being here. It's moving all the way through. It's hard to see there, but it's got fuel. Carburetors on there tight, no more leaks, nothing coming out. Same on the exhaust side, nothing coming out of there but exhaust. I've got spark. This wire is good, it's not grounded. I don't have the brake attached, and I don't have the primer bulb attached. I tried it plugged and unplugged. Here's the air intake, and when I turn it, you can hear it coming out. Put the microphone up. So I hear it drawing in, and when I put my finger over it and turn it, I can feel it pull and I can feel it push, air in and out. It is a little hard to turn. Yeah, it's not as free and easy as I've seen in some videos. Hear that? Let's see. Hopefully it stays on the table. Smell gas. It's flooded. Well, maybe it's not flooded, but there was gas sitting there in front of the butterfly. Not a loss. I went through, bought some feeler gauges, found my specs, found out what type of motor it is, by the way. It is a, let's see here. Parent company is Husqvarna, and it is it's called a Rato, RATO RV 140-1. 140 cc's, I knew that. Number 59. Now, I didn't know to ask if it was a Briggs & Stratton, under Briggs & Stratton. They are contracted out. Husqvarna, Poulan, and those two companies are just names. I guess they don't make engines. Let's see, what else do I got here? There's a product name and model number. It's 9613. I don't remember what these other numbers are. Serial number, I think. Yeah, so anyway, I appreciate your help. Yeah, any information on what you think my problem might be. I've got spark. I've got fuel coming to the carburetor. It's not leaking anymore. I adjusted the valves. I adjusted this here, the coil. I've got spark when I take this wire off. I've got spark with it on. That's all I can That's all I know. I don't even know that. Talk to you later.